my hobby and free time activities. Hi everyone, after explaining the map in the previous part, now I'd like to share a little bit about myself, especially about my hobby and what I usually do in my free time. Let's begin. 1. What is your hobby? Well, my hobby is drawing. I really enjoy creating sketches and illustration either using a pencil or digital tools. Drawing helps me express my ideas and relax at the same time. 2. When do you usually do your hobby? I usually draw in the evening after school or work. When I finish my daily tasks. Sometimes I also draw on the weekend when I have more free time and no deadlines to worry about. 3. What do you usually do in your spare time? In my spare time, besides drawing, I also like listening to music, watching movies, or reading short stories online. It really depends on my mood, but I always try to spend my free time doing some sometime creative or relaxing. Do you do the activity very often? Yes, I do it quite often. I draw almost every day, even if I just a quick sketch or a small doodle. It's really part of my daily routine. 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? I would say I draw at least 4 or 5 times a week. On weekday, it might only be for 30 minutes, but during weekend, I can spend hours working on a single piece of art. 6. Where do you usually go for recreation? For recreation, I usually go to the park or a quiet cafe where I can sketch while enjoying a drink. Sometimes I visit art galleries or bookstore to get inspiration if I have more time. I enjoy going to the beach or the mountain just to relax and refresh my mind. So that's little story about my hobby and what I like to do in my free time. I believe having hobby is important because it keeps you happy and balanced. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.